This is a brief introduction to using Smart Set to take an impression from a gate. And we have two compounds. We have a base material and a catalyst. The catalyst is the grey and the base is the blue. And what we need to do first, we'll take equal amounts of each of those materials. A small amount of each of the materials relative to the size that you wish to take the impression of the gate. It's probably normally about a thumbnail size of each that we will blend together. You can just use an O-ring pick to take it out of the containers, that's fine. This is a safe material. It's fab safe, it's silica based, it's a non-carcinogen, and it's been used in many fabs over the years. Actual dentists use a similar compound for taking impressions as well. Take the two size amounts you've taken out and blend those together. Just by hand is fine. Blend them together until the actual color you're looking for is a complete blue color with no hints of the gray. Once you're satisfied that it has been completely mixed, as you see here, we'll let the compound just set on the work surface there for about 25 to 30 seconds to let it come together. And while it's doing that, we'll take some IPA and a lint-free cloth to clean the gland area of the gate where you wish to take the impression of. Just clean it thoroughly, let it dry for a few seconds, make your compound malleable and press it into the gate gland area where you wish to take the impression, using even pressure across there to force it into any dovetail corners, and also remember to take the impression over the edge and the corner radii as well. As you can see, that was relatively quick and simple, and we'll let that sit in there to obtain the impression for about 10 to 12 minutes. For about 10 to 12 minutes, all you need to do then is take an O-ring pick and gently lift out the impression that you've just taken in the gate, trying not to tear or rip the material. And as you can see, takens out and you have a nice perfect impression. And we'll just let that rest on the surface. While that's resting on the surface, take a suitable size caliper and take a measurement of the length of the gate. Note down the measurement. So that's from inside edge to inside edge on the length. And once again, taking the caliper, measured the width measurement, inside edge to inside edge, and note down the measurements you get then. And if you take those measurements plus the impression of the glue that you've just taken, send those to us at Applied Seals North America, our engineering design center. We will then start the process of designing you a seal for a successful application.